So Chicago, how were you able to wholesale there? I know the answer, but a lot of people get told automatically that wholesaling is illegal in Chicago. So how are you able to do it in there?
Yeah, great question. So I am a licensed agent out in Illinois. So you would need to either be a licensed agent in Illinois or be linked up with an agent who will pretty much like
Yeah.
put their name on the contracts and things of that nature. And honestly, like they say that you can do one. The law says that you can do one deal in Illinois per year without, having to get a license. But in all reality, the vast majority of the title companies out there have been put on notice. So they don't really work with just random wholesalers. Like you have to be licensed out there.
Okay. And that market's still good, do you think? I mean, what's your opinion on the Chicago wholesaling market?
I'm not gonna lie to you. Look, I don't want all of the people that's watching this to start diving into it, but I'm not gonna lie to you. It's been pretty crazy for us lately with like the list that we've been pulling out there. It's been kind of ridiculous, to be honest. Like everyone's saying yes. Yeah, in an extremely good way. Let's put it like that. But to be honest, like I think that, a lot of these areas that are kind of like plighted by violence and things like that, it seems like very often, like areas in Ohio and places like that, it's very like people want to leave. They're trying to get out of there because there's so much violence going on. So you're gonna get a lot of yeses where there's more distress naturally in that area. So Chicago has definitely still been hitting really, really hard for us lately.
Okay, that's interesting. So is it like lower price point properties are you going for? Are you going for like the suburbs? Like what? I don't want to give too much of the secrets because you're obviously doing well there, but generally in a regular market, is that something you'd be doing?
Yeah. So you're saying like going after the city or the suburbs? Say that one more time. What's the question?
Yeah. So are you going after like a higher price point areas? Because Chicago gets expensive, and then there's some really cheap areas. So like what area are you kind of going after?
Good question. So typically we're targeting properties that are valued at $300,000 or less. And actively right now, we're just targeting all of Cook County, which is the largest county in America. So there's more than enough people that kind of fit that criteria. And there's other filters as well. One of my favorite lists to pull, period, no matter what market I'm working in, are vacant absentee owners list with high equity. So that's some free game right there for the community.
Perfect. So where are you pulling your data?
Very often I'm using PropStream and also like another service that Antoine Campbell talks a lot about called List Shack Pro.
Okay.
So primarily in the past I've used other services. This other service I really liked a lot was REWW, Kent Clothier's software.
Oh yeah. Kent Clothier. Shout out to him. So overall, those are really good ones, I would say. So what are your top lists to pull then? Obviously, you gave a little bit of the other ones, but any other lists that you like to go after or some like niche lists that nobody knows about?
Yeah, good question. So another list that has historically kind of hit really hard for us out in Chicago specifically is the tax delinquent list.
Yeah.
Granted, a lot of people tend to reach out to those individuals. So I like to kind of filter it down as much as possible whenever possible. So historically, like I said, like the vacant absentee owners with high equity have kind of done us like the best service. Let's put it like that. Oh, excuse me. But I did make a video on YouTube recently where I was kind of talking about like my favorite list that I would pull for 2021. And we have been pulling these lists that would also include like these the pre-probate properties that they have on PropStream. Now, I'll be honest, though, 100% honesty with the pre-probate leads from PropStream. It's been kind of hard to come across these individuals for me personally, but I guess that's a whole nother story or whatever. Anyway, so outside of those, though, zombie properties on PropStream, which are pretty much just vacant pre-foreclosures. It's like but just kind of like some of those quick lists that are inside of PropStream are also like some of my favorites. Like sometimes I'll just pull like the tired landlords list, for instance, or just the high equity list, for instance. So, but honestly, it's really just the same stuff that everyone else is pulling, but actively following up with these people and actively having conversations with individuals and not just leaving them inside the text message without actually following up with them.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.